What is natural language processing, NLP? Natural language processing, NLP, is a branch of artificial intelligence, AI, that enables computers to understand, interpret, analyze, and generate human language, text, or speech. In simple words, NLP teaches machines how humans speak, write, and communicate. Humans communicate using natural languages like English, Hindi, Nepali, French, etc. Computers, however, understand only numbers, zeros, and ones. NLP acts as a bridge between human language and machine language. Why NLP is important. Without NLP, computers wouldn't understand emails. Search engines couldn't find relevant results. Voice assistants wouldn't work. Chatbots wouldn't exist. Examples of NLP in daily life. Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. Understand voice commands. Google Translate converts one language to another. ChatGPT generates human-like responses. Spam filters identify unwanted emails. Autocorrect and auto-suggestions in mobile keyboards. Core tasks in NLP from basic to advanced. 1. Text classification. Goal: assign a category or label to text. Examples: spam versus non-spam email. Positive, negative, and neutral sentiment. News topic classification, sports, politics, tech. Used heavily in email filtering, opinion mining, and recommendation systems. 2. Sentiment analysis. Goal: detect emotions or opinions in text. Examples: product reviews 1 to 5. Twitter sentiment on elections or brands. Movie review analysis. 3. Name identity recognition, NER. Goal: identify important entities in text. Entities include person names, organizations, locations, dates, monetary values. Example: Pashupathy Bania works at Sharda University in India. NER: person, organization, location. 4. Machine translation. Goal: translate text from one language to another. Examples: English left right arrow Hindi, Nepali left right arrow English. Modern systems use deep learning and transformers instead of rule-based translation. 5. Text summarization. Goal: generate a shorter version of long text. Types: extractive, picks important sentences. Abstractive, generates new summarized text human-like. Used in news apps, research paper summaries, legal and medical documents. 6. Question answering, QA. Goal: answer questions based on given text or knowledge. Examples: Google search featured snippets. ChatGPT answering questions. Customer support bots. 7. Chatbots and virtual assistants. Goal: human-like conversation. Uses: NLP plus machine learning. Context understanding. Intent recognition. Key NLP techniques step by step. 1. Text pre-processing, foundation level. Before understanding text, machines must clean and prepare it. Tokenization. Break text into smaller units, words or sentences. Example: I love NLP. I love NLP. Stop word removal. Remove common words that add little meaning. Examples: the, is, and, in. Stemming. Reduce words to root form, rough. Examples: running, run. Studies, studi. Lemmatization. More accurate root word extraction. Examples: running, run. Better, good. 2. Feature extraction / vectorization, intermediate level. Machines can't understand text. Convert text to numbers. Bag of words, bow. Counts word frequency. TF-IDF. Measures word importance. TF equals term frequency. IDF equals inverse document frequency. Word embeddings. Capture semantic meaning. Popular models. Word 2vec. Glove. Fast text. 3. Deep learning and transformers, advanced level. Recurrent neural networks, RNN. Understand sequence. Problem. Vanishing gradient. LSTM/GRU. Improved RNNs. Handle long-term dependencies. Transformers, state-of-the-art. No recurrence. Use of self-attention. Faster and more accurate. Popular transformer models. BERT, bidirectional understanding. GPT, text generation. T5, text-to-text framework. Llama, large open models. Popular tools and libraries for NLP, beginner level. NLTK, tokenization, stemming. Spacey, fast, industrial NLP, intermediate level. Scikit-learn, ML classifiers. GenSim, topic modeling. Advanced level. Hugging Face Transformers. OpenAI GPT models. TensorFlow/PyTorch. Real-life applications of NLP. Everyday applications. Gmail Smart Replies. YouTube Auto Captions. Google Search Autocomplete. Voice typing. Industry applications. Customer support chatbots. Resume screening. Fake news detection. Social media monitoring. Advanced and research applications. Medical document summarization. Legal contract analysis. AI tutors. Multilingual assistance. Research paper review automation. NLP learning roadmap, optional for students. Text pre-processing. Classical ML models. Word embeddings. Deep learning for NLP. Transformers and LLMs. Fine-tuning models. Real-world NLP projects.